How to incorporate your company with Tantoo. We're excited for your new business venture. Here's how to get you started on your journey. Go to your incorporation partner website and click on Incorporate Now. Welcome to Tantoo. Click Register. Fill up your details and submit. Ensure your password matches. Input the one-time SMS code sent to the mobile phone or switch off SMS notification if you wish. You can opt to receive an SMS OTP for phone verification. You're in. Start exploring the tabs and dashboard. Fill your company, shareholders, and directors' details. You'll need to distribute 1,000 shares to one or more shareholders. Review and check all the information entered are accurate. Click Lockdown and submit. Once you submit, you cannot make any more changes. Make payment to your incorporation partner. Be sure to download or take a screenshot of the proof of payment. Click Already Made Payment. Enter how you have made your payment and the name of your incorporation partner. Click Send notification to Tantoo staff about my payment. After that, click Provide and sign documents for incorporation to view and sign the necessary documents. And you're all set. Leave the work to us and your incorporation partner while you focus on scaling your business to success.